Hey guys, so we just got a new package in the mail, and inside of this box there's 4 dummy units with the new colors for the iPhone 18 Pro Max set to be launching later this year. Now, as you know, Apple launches the new iPhones around mid to late September every year. So this year we're expecting Apple to launch a new foldable iPhone. We're also expecting Apple to launch the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max. But I know a lot of you guys are looking forward to what are some of the new colors, and that is what we have in today's video. We have dummy units with the 4 new colors set to be dropping later in September for the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max lineup. Once Apple announces these devices in September, these are going to be the new colors. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Now, I'm actually very excited this year for the new iPhones because there's rumored to be a new black color, which is one of the colors that I wanted for the iPhone 17 Pro Max lineup, but it didn't happen. So it is set to be coming this year, and it's set to be here on one of these dummy models here. So let's start here in any random order. So I don't know which one is which. This is the first time I open these packages here. So let's take a look at the first one here, and let's see which one this is. This is the silver. This is the standard silver color, which is actually the color that I went with for the iPhone 17 Pro Max as my personal device. And these dummy units have gotten so good at replicating the colors and the actual look of the iPhone. Take a look at that. Sitting side by side, they almost look identical. So that is the silver color, which is set to be coming this year with the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max models. So this one here, let's see which one this is. Let's take a look at this one. So I open that backwards. Let's go on this side here. And this one is the color blue. This is a new color set to be dropping this year for the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max. This is rumored to be called the cloud blue or sky blue. We'll have to wait and see what Apple decides to call this device, but it looks very, very nice. It's also a fun color for the Pro models. Typically, the Pro iPhones don't get really nice colors. This year, this blue is going to sell like crazy if Apple decides to move forward with this color later in September. Again, this is the cloud blue or sky blue. Let me know what you think about this color in those comments down below. Now let's go ahead and move over to the third device here. So let's get inside of the box here for the third device. And this is the one that I've been waiting for. This is the black iPhone 18 Pro Max. And wow, I was really looking forward to a black iPhone 17 Pro Max. It never happened. But I think this is going to be the color that I'm going to go with this year if Apple decides to move forward with the iPhone 18 Pro Max in the color black. I think this looks so nice and so clean. And last but not least, the flagship color that's set to be coming this year, aside from the sky blue, is set to be called a dark cherry. So let's go ahead and take a look at the dark cherry color iPhone 18 Pro Max. And wow, I have to say right away, this color is extremely nice. And keep in mind, these dummy units replicate the colors very, very nicely, as you can tell from the silver when I compare that to the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So if this is the color, this will be the exact color of the dark cherry iPhone 18 Pro Max. And this will be the entire lineup of colors set to be coming later this year for the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max in September. Let me know which one would you prefer if you're grabbing any of these. Which is your favorite color in the lineup this year for the new iPhones? I think I'm going to go with the color black because it's clean, but the dark cherry just looks so much better in the light. Take a look at that. Both of these colors are phenomenal. Not to mention the sky blue, I'm sure a lot of people are going to go for. And then, of course, you have the standard white or silver. But I think the one that's going to sell the most this year will be the dark cherry. Either way, guys, let me know in those comments down below. Which color would you prefer? Thank you for watching this quick unboxing and a first look at the new colors for the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.